Can you imagine generating income with something as simple as a bubble machine, a bottle cutter, or a small block maker? It sounds incredible, but thousands of people are already doing it from home, without stress and with affordable investments. That's why today I'm going to show you 23 machines you can use, build, or rent to make money without complicating your life. So get ready, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss this video. Number 1. Line striping machine. As you may know, every line in a parking lot serves a purpose. It organizes, guides, and, above all, ensures safety. A line striping machine allows you to apply paint or thermoplastic with precision, marking spaces, access areas, and safety zones in just minutes. It's a business with clear clients, companies, schools, churches, shopping centers, and with recurring work, since markings need to be renewed at least once a year. With an investment of around $1,000, you can offer scheduled maintenance and add extra services like crack sealing or vertical signage. It doesn't require a large staff, but it does require knowledge of local regulations and attention to weather conditions. It's a technical trade, stable and profitable for those seeking predictable income in the service sector. And if your thing is creating physical products instead of painting the ground, the next machine will help you fulfill that desire. Number 2. Ribbon printing machine. A simple bow can completely change the perception of a product. With a ribbon printing machine, that small detail becomes a branding tool. Its operation is straightforward. It applies heat onto a metallic film, the foil, and transfers letters, logos, or symbols onto satin or nylon ribbons. In seconds, you get sharp, elegant results ready to wrap gifts, trophies, or special edition packaging. With an investment of around $600, you can create personalized ribbons for companies, weddings, or seasonal events with surprisingly high profit margins. Its compact size makes it perfect for working from home and producing on demand. You only need good taste, organization, and consistency. A small machine, but a big visual impact. And if you prefer something sturdier than a ribbon, the next machine is definitely for you. Number 3. Roof panel. Roll forming machine. In construction, precision is everything. A roof panel roll forming machine transforms simple metal sheets into custom panels with perfect edges, ready to install. The process is continuous. A metal coil passes through a series of rollers that shape the sheet until it reaches its final form. With an investment of around $15,000, you can manufacture custom panels for roofs of houses, warehouses, or metal structures. It's a robust machine, ideal for those already in the industry or looking to partner with hardware stores and contractors. Although it requires space, good ventilation, and safety measures, its profit margin per project is high, and demand keeps growing. A tool that turns steel into tangible and repeatable income. And if you prefer a sweeter business, the next machine should be for you. Number 4. Mini commercial donut machine. There are scents that sell by themselves, and the smell of a freshly made donut is one of them. A mini commercial machine automates the entire process. It dispenses the dough, fries the rings, and leaves them ready to glaze in just minutes. With an investment of $600, you can produce dozens per hour and serve fairs, events, or office spaces with minimal supervision. Its compact size allows you to set it up on a table or cart, and its profit margin by volume is excellent. Of course, hygiene, oil control, and health permits are key to maintaining quality. With creativity, you can offer personalized toppings, gift boxes, or combos with coffee, increasing your profit without raising costs. And if you'd rather have a business that has nothing to do with food, the next idea could be your next venture. Number 5. Desktop injection. Molding machine. Making your own plastic parts is no longer something reserved for large factories. With a desktop injection molding machine, you can produce customized objects, from cases and keychains to technical components, without leaving your workshop. The principle is simple. Plastic pellets are melted and injected under pressure into a mold, taking its exact shape in seconds. With an investment of less than $1,000, you get a compact, precise piece of equipment capable of consistently delivering professional quality results. It's ideal for prototypes or small production runs. The challenge lies in mastering the molds and paying attention to details, trimming, temperatures, and safety. But once you've mastered it, you can offer design and manufacturing services to other entrepreneurs or local businesses. And speaking of machines that transform the environment rather than materials, the next one turns air and soap into something everyone enjoys. Bubbles. Number 6. Bubble machine. Few things can change the atmosphere as quickly as a bubble machine. It's simple, compact, and capable of filling any space with a shower of shiny spheres that catch the eye and create an almost hypnotic effect. Just fill the tank with the solution, turn on the motor, and let the air do the rest. Priced between $200 and $700, it's a low-cost investment with a fast return. You can rent it for parties, photo shoots, weddings, or shows. Plus, combining it with lights or smoke multiplies its value and your fee. The only real maintenance is keeping it clean and always having extra liquid on hand. A light, profitable, and visually irresistible option for those who work in events. And if show business isn't your thing but you value the perfect finish, the next tool teaches you how to give wood the final touch every client notices. Number 7. Manual edge. Banding machine. In carpentry, details are what separate amateur work from professional craftsmanship, and the edge of a piece of furniture says a lot. A manual edge banding machine allows you to seal the edges of MDF or plywood by applying a tape with hot glue in a single motion. The result? Clean lines, uniform finishes, and surfaces ready to paint or lacquer. With an investment of $600, you can offer edge banding services to small workshops or add value to your own furniture. It doesn't take up much space, and its use is easily mastered with practice. However, precision on corners and curves makes all the difference. If you add CNC cutting or lacquering, your service can grow even more. And if we're talking about machines that clean instead of seal, the next one is an ideal option. Number 8. Pressure washer. Water, when properly directed, can be a highly profitable work tool. A pressure washer transforms pressure into cleaning power, capable of removing dirt, mold, and tough stains from facades, floors, roofs, or vehicles. With the right equipment, some cleaning products, and a good hose, you can offer services to both homes and businesses, ensuring recurring contracts. The initial investment is moderate, but the return comes quickly. The demand for deep cleaning never stops. The key lies in technique and safety, and if you're more interested in a low-cost, high-turnover product, stay tuned because I've got the machine that never fails. Number 9. Ice cream machine. Few things attract people as much as ice cream. An ice cream machine turns a simple liquid mix into a creamy dessert, ready to serve in minutes. The system combines cooling and continuous churning, maintaining the perfect texture without requiring extensive technical knowledge. With an investment starting at around $700, you can set up a cart, cater events, or create seasonal flavors right from your own kitchen. It's a high-margin, universally loved business, ideal for warm climates or local fairs. The key is consistent cleanliness and compliance with health regulations. And speaking of customization, the next machine takes creativity to textiles, the digital embroidery machine. Number 10. Embroidery machine. Embroidery is one of those details that never go out of style. With a digital embroidery machine, you can transform any ordinary garment into a personalized piece with added value. You just need to load the design in digital format, secure the fabric in the hoop, and let the machine do the rest. Each stitch forms logos, names, or emblems with millimeter precision. With an investment starting at $600, you can take orders for companies, sports teams, or local brands looking to stand out. The results are durable and convey quality. Learning to digitize designs takes some practice, but once you master the process, the opportunities multiply. A good embroidery design turns something simple into something distinctive, and that always pays well. And if you prefer something more industrial than textile, you can venture into the world of pet food. Number 11. Pet food pellet machine. The pet market keeps growing, and natural food is one of its strongest segments. A pellet machine allows you to produce artisanal kibble from customized mixes of grains, proteins, and vitamins. The machine compresses the mixture and extrudes it into small pellets that are then dried and packaged. With an investment of less than $1,000, you can set up a clean, functional workshop, ideal for selling directly to pet owners, veterinarians, or local stores. The appeal lies in customization, offering specific recipes by breed, age, or nutritional need. Of course, you'll need to comply with health regulations and take care with formulations to maintain quality. It's a low-cost, high-loyalty business, perfect for those who want to start a purposeful and consistent venture. Number 12. Vacuum casting machine. Turning molten metal into perfect parts sounds complex, but a vacuum casting machine makes it surprisingly simple. Its system removes the air from the mold and sucks in the liquid material, filling every corner without leaving bubbles or imperfections. The result? Clean, solid pieces with a professional finish. With an investment of less than $500, You can make personalized jewelry, metals, or small parts for other businesses, all from a simple work table. It's a precise, compact, and profitable tool, ideal for those who want to produce without relying on large workshops. You only need some practice, good ventilation, and protective equipment. The best part is that you can also offer the service to others, turning your hobby into a steady source of income. And speaking of transforming materials, the next machine does something just as fascinating. Number 13. Dry ice machine. Dry ice isn't ordinary ice. It's compressed carbon dioxide that turns into a solid at extremely low temperatures. Unlike regular ice, it leaves no puddles or moisture, which makes it very useful for preserving frozen goods, creating fog effects at events, or transporting delicate foods. A dry ice machine connects to a CO2 cylinder and, with just the press of a button, produces blocks or pellets ready to use. With an investment of just a few $100s, you can sell it to restaurants, bakeries, delivery companies, or event producers. It's a clean business with low maintenance and constant demand, as long as you work in a well-ventilated area and handle the gas carefully. Let's stay in the world of gases because the next machine turns smoke into celebration. Number 14. Smoke machine. Good atmosphere can completely change the energy of an event. Smoke machines achieve this with surprising simplicity. They heat a mixture of water and glycerin until it becomes a dense cloud of mist that fills the space with a powerful visual effect. It's a compact, easy-to-use piece of equipment, and with a low investment, you can rent it out or include it in packages with lights, music, and bubbles. Its maintenance is simple: periodic cleaning and refilling the liquid. With just 1 or 2 events, you recover your investment. You don't need to be an expert in sound or production. Just have good taste and punctuality. A light, visual, and profitable tool that turns any space into a stage. And if we move from mist to something more tangible, the next machine seals every drink with millimetric precision. Number 15. Cup sealing machine. The detail that separates an ordinary drink from a professional one often lies in the lid. A cup sealing machine uses heat to adhere a plastic film over the rim of the cup, creating an airtight, clean, and spill-proof seal. It's the ideal tool for bubble tea shops, smoothie stands, or iced coffee businesses that want to improve presentation and offer customers safety and convenience. With an investment of less than $500, you can seal hundreds of cups per hour from a simple counter. Besides its hygienic look, it conveys order and reliability, qualities today's consumers appreciate. It requires a steady supply of materials, but its speed and polished results more than make up for it. And if you add custom lids or combo deals with snacks, the overall experience goes to the next level. And if your passion is building rather than serving, the next machine will allow you to materialize your dreams. Number 16. Block making machine. Few things are as basic and profitable as producing cement blocks. A compact block making machine mixes cement, sand, and water, compresses them into molds, and releases blocks ready to dry and use. With an investment between $680 and $1,900, you can set up the equipment in a garage or spacious yard without needing large facilities. Demand is constant. Small construction projects, renovations, and builders always need custom materials. The challenge lies in maintaining a consistent mix and handling dust safely. By complying with local space and noise regulations, it becomes a solid, literally business that lets you produce and sell without intermediaries. With delivery services or special blocks, you can increase your profit margin and build loyalty among local customers. If you're looking for a machine that requires less physical effort, wait until you see the next one. Number 17. Jewelry barrel. Polishing machine shine cells, and a barrel polisher achieves it with almost artisanal precision. Its operation is simple. You place the pieces inside a drum along with an abrasive medium, and the constant motion polishes the surface until it becomes smooth and gleaming. It's the same principle used in jewelry workshops, but in a compact and affordable format. With an investment of just a few $100s, you can offer finishing services to artisans or enhance your own creations. It doesn't require much space or experience, only patience to respect the polishing cycles and carefully choose the right abrasive materials. The final result makes the difference between an ordinary product and one that radiates value. A clean, uniform shine always finds a buyer. Number 18. Tufting. Gun custom rugs are having their moment, and a tufting gun is the perfect tool to take advantage of it. This electric device shoots yarn through a stretched fabric frame, creating colorful designs with texture and volume. With an investment of no more than $100, you can set up a small studio at home and create unique pieces to sell on social media or platforms like Etsy. It's a visual and creative business that attracts people looking for handmade yet modern products. It takes practice to master clean lines and neat edges, but the results are worth the effort. If you also add a non-slip base or decorative frames, the product's value multiplies. And if you prefer turning waste into opportunity, the next machine must be yours. Number 19. Plastic shredding machine. Plastic can have more than one life, and a shredder turns that idea into a business. These machines use rotating blades to break down containers, bottles, or caps into small fragments called flakes, which can later be reused or sold as raw material. With an investment of around $1,000, you can set up a ventilated workshop and offer recycling services to schools, workshops, or small factories. The shredded material is used in 3D printing, recycled panels, or new household products. It's a sustainable project with real potential. It generates income while helping the environment. However, it requires organization and safety, sorting plastics, maintaining proper ventilation, and controlling noise. With an extrusion or plate manufacturing line, the potential grows even more. And if shredding isn't your thing but refreshing people is, the next machine is your ideal option. Number 20. Slush machine. Nothing catches attention on a hot day like a cup full of slush. These machines keep the mixture constantly stirring while cooling it, achieving a semi-frozen texture perfect for sweet, colorful, and refreshing drinks. With an investment of about $1,000, you can offer them at fairs, events, or coffee shops. Even create adult versions with cocktails and premium flavors. Demand is strong during the hot season, and profit margins are high, but consistency in cleaning is essential. Sugars can clog the system if not maintained properly. Its appeal is instant, and the return is fast. With custom cups or special toppings, you can raise the value of each sale and stand out from the competition. And if you prefer something more artisanal, the next machine can help you do just that. Number 21. Glass bottle cutter. Turning an empty bottle into a decorative piece is easier than it seems. A bottle cutter allows you to score glass with precision, separate it using heat or cold water, and then sand the edges until achieving a smooth and safe finish. With a minimal investment of $10, you can create glasses, lamps, candle holders, or personalized keepsakes. It's an ideal option for those who enjoy manual work or want to start a business using recycled materials. It takes a bit of practice to get clean cuts, but the result is as versatile as it is profitable. You can also add engraving, packaging, or sets with candles to offer ready-to-gift products. A simple example of how creativity turns waste into design. Number 22. Spiral potato cutter. Fairs and events have something in common. Everyone looks for something that catches the eye. The Cyclone Potato Tower turns a simple potato into a snack that's not only eaten but photographed. Its mechanism is simple. The potato is fixed in place, the crank is turned, and the machine cuts it into a perfect spiral, ready to fry and serve. With an investment of about $100, you can offer a crispy, eye-catching, high-turnover product. It's ideal for food trucks, fairs, or catering events where presentation is part of the show. All you need is a fryer, good oil, and consistency at events. With artisanal sauces or drink combos, your profit margin and customer experience grow even more. And to wrap up this journey, let's move from snacks to agriculture. The next machine removes every kernel of corn in seconds, effortlessly. Number 23. Corn sheller machine. In farming, time is everything, and a corn sheller transforms hours of manual labor into minutes of efficiency. Its function is simple. It separates corn kernels from the cob using a system of rollers or blades, available in manual or electric versions. Small models cost between $50 and $80, while electric ones go up to $500, ideal for medium-scale production. It's a practical tool for farmers, mills, or entrepreneurs who make flour or animal feed. Its only requirement is to use properly dried corn, as moisture can jam the mechanism. With added services like grinding, packaging, or ready-made mixes, the business can easily expand. In short, it transforms effort into productivity and kernels into income. With this last machine, we close the complete list of profitable ideas to start from home. Now, the next step is to choose which one best fits your resources, your space, and your way of working. And if you want to keep discovering more ideas like these, subscribe to the channel Successful Entrepreneur and give this video a like to support our content. See you next time.